So our adventure tonight takes us to the Cheesecake Factory. It's October 20th, 2022. This location just opened up on Tuesday this week. So this is the opening week of this new location. I don't know about you, but every Cheesecake Factory I've ever been to, I have never been disappointed, and this one is no exception. Here's some shots of the interior, the tables, the lighting, the mood. The ambience of this restaurant is really nice. Some bar shots. All the liquors, and here's all the bubblies. I kind of like this. It's just an artistic kind of shot. The empty bar. This is close to 9 o'clock when this was taken. So here's the kitchen and the kitchen support staff. Some more of those cool light fixtures. Here's what comes with your meal. You got the bread, the butter, your napkin, and the menu. Here's the appetizers. We went with the sweet corn tamale cakes, and I can't describe on how good these were. They are very sweet with a little bit of a little hint of some heat to them. You should try them. They are absolutely delicious. Here's a shot of them. Just everything blends very well with this. They didn't last 5 minutes with the bunch we had. Here's what I went with: the Parmesan herb crusted chicken. Here's a shot of it. Asparagus, creamed potatoes, the chicken. My wife got chicken. Here's coconut shrimp. And then my father-in-law got the salmon, potatoes, asparagus. That looks like a crab. So here's me.
Sauce.
Taste it? Well, there's the tail. I'll just cut you
Man,
off
it's got
from
some
it.
buttery goodness on this.
Okay, you can taste it.
You gotta get up here and look at this.
Introduce you to coconut shrimp.
Buttery potato goodness.
Yeah, coconut shrimp is
It's
yummy.
got the skins in it, loaded. That's good. Okay, you see what's happening here, don't you? You see what's happening here? Everybody's grabbing the food off my plate. It's so good. It's gone. They're eating my food. Family's loving it. So at this point at the meal, you have to make the decision. Do I carry on?
There you go.
Do I eat the rest of this deliciousness? Or do I push away and save room for some of that delicious cheesecake? So the struggle is real. All this goodness, deliciousness is left on the plate. If I only had a little piece of bread, just a little piece, I could mop it up and not let it go to waste.
Now hold up, don't forget the dessert. Bam! Check out these cheesecakes. You can't go wrong by picking any of these. So the ones we got personally are the Oreo. Look at that, loaded with flavor. Sweet, that's homemade cream. Here's the key lime. Again, the homemade cream with a hint of lime sitting right on top. I get the tiramisu, it's my go-to. And then, last but not least, is the Godiva chocolate on the birthday plate.
Cheesecake's amazing.
This is so good. You want to try my Oreo? Mm-hmm. My chocolate?
I'm gonna try a piece of your Oreo here. Was that like some kind of cream?
That's the cheesecake.
Okay, here's a piece of the Oreo.
Yeah, yours is super chocolatey. It's good. I've had that one before. What?
Oreo one's delicious. I'll stick with my tiramisu.
I'll stick with my Oreo. Cute. Look at that.
That's all she wrote. I can't finish this. It's too delicious, but I'm too full. I failed.
Okay, that's okay.
We just finished up with the Opry Mills Cheesecake Factory. This place just opened on Tuesday, and it was delicious. We didn't have hardly any leftovers. The entire family enjoyed it, and I would highly recommend that you guys come try it out if you're in the Nashville area. Thanks for watching.